Hello guys, you're welcome to the part 2 of this amazing tutorial. Okay, so in this part 2, I told you guys that we'll be doing the skin tone of this amazing picture right here. Okay, so this was the picture before. Okay, so we did the retouching and achieved this right here. Okay, so this part 2, we are going to be doing the skin tone. Okay, so we'll do the skin tone and also do the dodge and burn. Okay, so if you mix the part 1, in case you mix the part 1, you can check my channel for the part 1. Okay, so here we are in part 2. So to do the skin tone, first of all, let's work on the eyes. Okay, we need to clean the eyes. Okay, so and to clean the eyes, we'll be making use of our eyes doctor under this all-in-one retouching preset. Okay, so if you need this preset, check my channel description. Okay, so we click on the eyes retouch. Okay, so it will load. Every click will give you a message. So this eyes retouch, I will paint only the white side of the eyes. So one thing about this eyes retouch is that it will make your eyes whiter and still leave the details of the eyes. Like if there is vein, it will leave it, making the eyes look realistic.
In the sticky wild positions of our after midnight missions, you were knee deep in my
Okay, as you can see, when you're done painting the white side of the eyes and you want more results, like the results you achieve is not white enough, you can as well duplicate the layer, Ctrl J. Then you change the copy of the layer to soft light. As you can see, it becomes more whiter. Okay, you can as well drop the opacity to your satisfaction in case it's excess. Okay, so the next thing I will do right here is to add eyes retouch. Okay, I want the eyes to be shiny and popping, so now we use the eyes retouch right here under the eyes retouch button. Okay, so I click on the eyes retouch. So it has finished loading. So this time around, I'm going to paint all over the eyes. Okay, both the black side, as you can see, to make the eyes shiny. Okay, so the eyes is looking more beautiful now. Okay, in case if the effect is much, you can as well drop your opacity. Okay, so right now let's merge these things together and do the skin tone of this picture right here. Okay, we duplicate and merge these things together. Okay, so and to do the skin tone, let's duplicate this layer, Ctrl J or Command J if you're using Apple. Okay, you know there are many ways to do skin tone, dark skin tone or melanin skin tone here in Photoshop. Okay, so I will show you another way to do it, one of the best way to do it. Okay, so to skin tone this image right here, I will create a black and white adjustment here. So this is black and white adjustment. Then I'll play along with the blending mode here. Okay, I can put it to darken, multiply to get this. As you can see, this is nice. We can work on this, but you can as well take it to overlay to get something like this, soft light to get something like this. Okay, so this is beautiful. Right here, you can drop the opacity. Then you come to your adjustment icon here, also pick your selective color. So yeah, you move your cyan. If it's not on yellow, put the color channel to yellow, move your cyan. Okay, so you get your satisfaction. It's as simple as that. As you can see right there, if I group these two layers together, This is before, this is after. Okay, this is a nice skin tone before, after. Okay, so but I'll be making use of my skin tone preset here, dark skin tone preset under this my all-in-one retouching preset. Okay, the first dark skin tone there, click on it. Okay, so as you can see the results. Okay, you can as well group these things together, these layers together, and drop the opacity to your satisfaction. Okay, you drop it to your satisfaction. Okay, so this is beautiful. You can as well want to add a little tone. You can as well use the selective color again and add a little yellow, giving it this look. Okay, so giving it this look right here. Okay, so I will merge these things together. So you can see right here. Then I will take this picture to filter, then to camera raw filter. Okay, here in camera raw filter, I move to color right here. You can take this yellow off to give this shade of black. Okay, but I don't want it this dark. Okay, so I move to yellow a little to this plus 3. Okay, remember the result I love might not be the result you love. You can also adjust to your satisfaction. You know, this is Photoshop. Okay, so I move to light here, take the black. I normally use black instead of contrast. Black works similar with contrast. It contracts your image. So I take it a little, back a little. So here I move the highlights a little. With this black and highlights, there is no need of me using curves to do dodge and burn. Okay, with this highlight and black, the highlight is up already and the burn, which is the dark side, is up already. Okay, so I move to the color mixer right here, move to hue and saturation, the red here. Okay, you can play along with the red here. Okay, remember if you are using Lightroom, you can still get these features in Lightroom. Okay, so now let me move to effects and add a little texture on this image. Okay, so I move to details here, then add a little sharpening. Okay, so this is nice. Remember, this first color is nice also, and this is nice also. It's two different shades. Okay, we are going with the second shades. Okay, so I click okay. Okay, so this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, so I want to add a little highlight on the face. So I use adjustments icon here and go to selective color. This time around, I switch it to white. Okay, so and make the absolute active. Then move this black this way. So like this, it will pop out all the highlights on the image. As you can see, if you drag it this way, it will kill the highlights. You move it this way, it will pop the highlights. So you move it to your satisfaction, you adjust it till you get what you're looking for. Okay, so something like this is beautiful. I think we are done with this image. Okay, so let's see where we started from. Okay, so this is this image before. we retouch and achieve this. Then we work on the eyes and achieve this. Then we did the skin tone and achieve this. Okay, so guys, this is it. And also I have a whole lot of skin tone loads. Let me show you guys that can as well work well here. I go to my color lookup to load presets. Then this is my 6 shades of melanin skin tone. Okay, so as you can see, this is the first one there, still fine on this image, beautiful. Okay, so let me show you guys the second one there also. So this is the second one there, still beautiful on this image. And this is the third one there. So as you can see, this third one is still beautiful. And this is the fourth one there. This is the fourth one. It's still light and beautiful. And this is the fifth one there. This is still beautiful on this image. And this is the 7th. As you can see, this 7th is still beautiful on this image. Okay, so if you need all the 6 shades of melanin skin tone, you can check my channel description. Okay, so this is the part 2 and the final part of this tutorial. Okay, so if you watch to this part, you are a pro. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so YouTube will notify you anytime I drop another tutorial. I will see you guys in my next tutorial.